Yeah, Yatin, what I can see is the yesterday's meeting is recorded for just 2 seconds. So I'm not sure like whether it's not recorded or uh, can you like check if that is the one that was recording? I can see only for 2 seconds it was. I hope I'm audible.
Well, Ujjwal, your voice is very low.
Okay. Mm, yeah. Is it better now? Yeah. So Hitendra, actually, what I can see is yesterday meeting was only for 2 seconds. So
I started it. Somebody stopped it. No.
yeah. Okay, we can record for today then. No issues because yesterday was only a playback session, so
Yeah,
not
that's
so
okay.
much.
So, what is the plan for today? We are going to do live.
So Hitendra, as
To,
we discussed yesterday, we were thinking of like showing any incidents that we might be having,
yeah,
but
incident and
we
discuss. Yeah.
received, yeah, we received one incident early in the morning, but then it was an urgent case, so the user wanted to work on it on priority, so we couldn't keep it till evening. And apart from that one incident, we haven't received anything as of now.
So can we go through that incident? What was that, and what was the request? Um, how you have actually resolved it? What is that?
Okay, yeah. So, Kavita or Soumya, can you please share your screen and just give a brief about that, what we did in that?
Yes, Sachin. I'll share my screen. Just give me a few minutes.
Sure. So I'll check with Sugam. I don't see Sugam in the call. I'll check with him if he's joining.
Yeah, so Hitendra, I have a like question like can we add it into the group of crypto key so that we can get notification for the ServiceNow tickets? Uh,
No, we can do that, but
Everyone can join.
a second. So that is
yeah,
only for the notification, right?
like we can get the actually I'm in a part of like advanced authentication also, but I'm getting email alerts like what about the new ticket assigned to the group. So can you like I think we are not added in crypto key group as of now. So if that can like do we have to initiate a mail chain for that or like what exactly we have to do?
No, we can do that. So come, is it possible that we can add them to the group so that they can also get the notification?
For that, we need to raise a request. So I'll check and raise on Ujjwal's behalf, or means I'll let you know means what is the process. Exactly, we need to raise a request to be added into that service now and upload group.
But
Earlier,
that request
we
has to be
created.
raised through service now only, right?
Yes, yes, I guess. Means I need to confirm on that, Hitendra.
Okay, we can confirm, then
Yes. Okay, so you are
Let
part of advanced authentication L2 right now.
I'm a part of that group and we are getting notification for like whatever tickets that has been assigned to that group. And so right now if we can be a part of this group also then we can see like what how the tickets are coming to our queue and we can analyze them. So yeah, that could be helpful for us.
Okay, okay. Okay, we'll check and get back to you. Yes, Soumya, you were saying something?
yes. So, like I was asking if my screen is visible or not.
Yes, yes, your screen is visible.
So this is a incident like a service task we received today, Hitendra. So basically, this request is for basically the whatever the portal that is there, Halion certificate portal, using which all the users will request the certificates, SSL certificates, right? So this user, he can't able to log in into that portal because he is not part of any group in the snow. Think it didn't attach any snapshot here.
Okay. Actually, I was also getting this error when I try to access this URL. Appview.
Appviewx, sorry, it is Appviewx
Yeah.
Ujjwal or no? So yeah, basically users get these type of errors whenever they failed to log in into Appviewx. So basically, this is users only get this type of errors when their service now is not part of any groups in the Active Directory. So for this, we need to add all the particular user to the Appviewx group. In the, like, we need to log in into the server first, and then we need to add the users to that particular Appviewx group. And then after some time, like, it will get some time to sync the, after we adding the user to that group. So then only users can able to access the portal. So here Kavita gave access to him. So this was an like urgent case where we need to give access to him as soon as possible. So yeah, Kavita gave access to him and he can access the portal now.
So
So
basically, it is the same issue usual. So where we need to
yeah.
add the user to the cert portal user group, and he'll get the access.
Okay. So like, can you show where we have to add the user, like, just once?
Okay. Show me please. Show means log into the server, and show means how exactly we are adding the user to that group.
Okay. So first we need to log in into that CyberArk portal. So we log in into this UK4 SXWN003 server to add these users. So I've logged into the server. Now we have to move to the Active Directory users and computers from the, like, in the search we need to type this Active Directory users and computers. Here when we right click on this, we'll find all these options here, and we need to select the find, and in the name we need to provide the mud ID of the user, whoever the user is, and then we get the details of all the users in the down. Uh, Okay, I stop my presenting for some time. I can't move to my VDI.
Samya, try to add your ID.
Here I'm giving my mud ID. When we click on this find now, we'll get all the details of the user here.
So,
And then we go to
we
the
have yeah,
to add the user to any Appviewx group, we need to click on this add to a group. And in this
mm,
object name field, we have to like enter the field characteristics of Appviewx, like whatever the group name. When we click on
mhm.
these check names, we'll get all these groups where we need to add the users. Like all these
Like,
are the groups related to that Appviewx. And
so
we add users to this.
we have to add user in all of these group or one particular
No,
group.
only the last particular group, Appviewx prod portal users. Like whoever the users are accessing this portal, we need to add them to that group. These are
Okay,
all the admin level permissions, so we can't.
okay, yeah. Thanks.
So when you click on the OK, it will get the group will get added. Then user can access the portal.
Okay. So, for this, actually, what I'm getting the same issue while try to access AppView. So, should I raise a service now request for this?
Oh no, means we'll add you. Just tell your mad ID, no need to
Yeah,
request service. Yes.
yeah. It's J X.
Yes.
It's Just give me 1 minute. Sorry, I forgot. Uh,
Just to clarify, so this is user level access, okay? This is not the admin level access. The work whatever we are doing, so that won't be accessible to you with this access.
okay, so I think I would be needing the app admin access also for
Ah,
this.
yes. So
So
admin
that's
access, that access Lucas will provide. Okay.
Uh-huh.
So
Yeah.
you need to ask Lucas for that. But a general user access we can provide.
Okay. So as
I
of
think we
So,
already discussed on that part, right, yesterday.
uh-huh.
so Joel,
Right.
in the meantime, you can have that user access and explore the portal. Means how the portal exactly looks to the user. So you
Mm-hmm.
can explore that thing. So may just add usual to that. Just tell your mad ID.
Yeah. Yeah. Just a minute. Yeah. Yeah, can you just search UJX JDS
JDS, UGX, JDS.
JDS
UJD
S 6857.
6857.
Yeah. Can you search this?
That's it.
Mm-hmm.
UJDS 6857.
Yeah.
No, there are no matches
No,
for
it
this.
is UJX and JDS.
Yeah. UJX. Yeah. Uh, wait.
So may search S6587. Just search 6857, S6857.
Yeah. Six
Yes,
eight
yes.
five seven is there.
No, sir.
Mm, okay, so you are not part of AD Copnet. So may drop down that AD Copnet for .NET. No, click in the right hand
Yeah.
side.
So
Yeah.
the exact ID is JUXJDS
Can you
UX
repeat again? UX
Yeah. JDS 6857.
JDX
No. UX.
6857.
Just usual ping it,
I'm
man.
pinging. Yeah, I'm pinging. Yeah, shared.
Yes,
This is
usual
ID.
pushing.
Okay.
Mm, okay, so we need to provide full user ID here.
Ah, yes, exactly.
Yes.
Okay.
Now you will be having that ID.
So like
Means
how
user
long?
level request.
Okay, so like how normally, how long it takes to get sync in the portal? Like,
Means after 30 minutes you can try, or 1 hour. That's,
okay, okay.
After
yes.
30 minutes, you will like clear all the browsing history and try it.
Hmm. Yeah, sure, sure. Thanks. Yeah.
So this is the request we got today.
Apart from that, do you have any questions, Ujjwal and Santosh? Anything?
No, Sugam,
No.
not from me.
So in a similar way, means we'll be working with you only. So we'll take all the requests in this session and show you how exactly we work. So in today's request, user is not able to access the portal, so we just simply added him to the portal and just updated the comments in the service now request and close that request. And we'll generally close the request after user confirmation. We'll ping and ask whether he or she is able to access the portal. If he or she confirms, then we can close the request. Okay. So these are
Okay.
the
Yeah.
general
So,
cases we get on day-to-day basis.
so what's the SLA for this normally? Like,
For
for
P3, it is 5 business days for us. I'm not sure about that TechM SLAs. I am talking about Accenture SLAs here. So for
okay.
P3 means that is priority 3 incident. It is 5 business days. Or for P4, it is 8 to 10 business days. For P1, it is 4 hours or 1 hours, and for P2 it is 2 hours. So generally for PKI we get P3 and P4 SLAs only.
I
Incident
guess,
time.
Sugam, for SLAs, we will refer to the
Yeah,
Sorry,
for
Hiten?
module.
yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
Hiten.
we can.
Hmm. So I'm saying that there can be different SLA
Yeah. So I said that
according
for
to
means
Yeah, yeah,
I'm
we
not telling the
will refer
exact
to.
SLAs here. I told that for TechM it might be
yeah,
different.
I
Yeah.
heard you. So
And for
that's okay.
Accenture, I am not telling exact SLAs. I'm just telling some rough idea. And for
So yeah,
ServiceNow, we are not having any SLA.
we will refer to like SOW document. Yeah, that's
Correct,
meant.
Ujjwal. You need to
Yeah,
refer your SOW for TechM and you will get to know the SLAs for each incident and ServiceNow. Okay.
sure. Yeah. So, any other ticket that you can show right now? That's
Today
indicated.
only we received that request and we showed you. And apart from that, if you have any questions, queries from previous sessions
So
or from documents,
Sugam,
I
can we
hope you have
do
gone
the
through all the documents.
can we not take tickets from the past as well? Maybe from this week, last week,
We
Yes,
can.
we
different
can
types.
take if we have any ticket. Soumya, can you please check if we have any ticket from the past?
We already took that Sugam during the KT sessions itself. So while giving examples, we did the same. We took the tickets that were in past and we tried to explain that. And yesterday we have shared the sample tickets for each and every activity. Almost each and every activity is covered in that. So that is also shared.
So
Okay,
Hitendra,
so
I
like
would request Ujjwal and Santosh to go through all the KT videos. There are a lot of documents. Means it will take at least 10 days to go through all the documents and come up with your queries because we have shared everything. Now it is
mhm.
your turn, Ujjwal and Santosh, to ask questions, to put queries, to go through the documents, to have that sessions.
Yeah, so we are having some time right now. So can we just go through the all the tickets that you have provided just one by one? You can just have a overview like what usually you do again, like so that Alok is here. Like Alok is a new joining, so that he can also understand the things. Like he would be primarily working on these things.
Okay, so
So
we'll take two incidents because there are a lot of incidents, and as I told earlier that we have shared the 5 type of incidents we are working, and we have shared it with you. Again, Soumya, please share your screen and show at least 2 cases. Means take any cases from the past and show how exactly, because it is a service now tool. I guess you are familiar with. We are closing the incident by working means updating the workflow and confirming it with the user. Then we are closing it, and that user group we showed you. Apart from that, if user is not able to access the portal, it is the same issue. Soumya, you can take any request. Means user is facing some different issue or some other case you can take.
I'll check. So
Yep.
Meanwhile, let me see, because I have got it up, I guess. What is your assignment group?
Cryptographic key -L2, Hitendra.
Okay, I got the list. Sharing. Will this help?
Yeah, I think we can see these incident if they are unique. Like we can see the unique incident.
Okay, just give me a second. I will give the description, short description as well.
Okay, no. So Soumya, I guess you are also
I
having that
got.
list. Okay. Please share your screen and take
I
at
got
least
it.
2 steps for today. And usual, please means I would request you guys to go through those sessions and have your queries ready, because it won't be possible. Means it will be only one-sided affair then if you are not asking questions and not going through the documents and KT sessions. I hope you are getting my point, because it will be for your goodwill only. So once you are ready with that basic knowledge, then Lucas will approve your access and then you can get the hands-on. Because Lucas will not provide access before you are not having some basic knowledge and queries on that thing. And also means for us,
Yeah.
Lucas approved access once we are having some exposure to Appviewx and Sectigo. Only after that access will be approved for you guys as well.
Okay. Okay. Yeah,
Because
we will
there
see.
there is no dev and test environment. Everything is on production. And means before touching to the production thing, you must be familiar with the basic terms, and all these things are covered in the KT sessions and the documentation. So please go through the document, because in case
Yeah.
Lucas asks you something, you will be in the position to answer those questions.
And just to update everyone, we are going to have a session with product owners from next week. So they will be asking questions just to make sure that everyone has a good
Yeah,
knowledge of
and also
subject.
I had word with Lucas, so he said that he will not provide access till that time. Means these folks are having some basic knowledge, and it happened for us as well, Hitendra, because before providing access, he makes sure that we have some basic knowledge how things work.
Yeah, I know, because there is no lower amount, right? We are
Yeah,
going to
correct.
providing it
Everything is
to
in
production.
production, and it means before providing action, he
That
will
makes
make sure
sense.
that.
That makes sense. Yeah. Nothing against anyone, but that makes sense.
Yes, Soumya, carry on.
So this is one of the DCV requests we got with the user Harry Young. So basically, we got this request because this domain nutrition -kgr.com, this domain was not validated in the Sectigo portal. As this is an external certificate request, all the domains, whatever the users are requesting, all the domains need to be validated in the Sectigo portal first. And here, this particular domain was not validated, so we got the ticket. What we did here is we added this particular domain in the Sectigo portal.
This activity is known as domain control validation activity, basically. DCV stands for domain control validation. So we
Yeah,
need to
yeah.
register the
Yeah.
CNAME.
Hmm. And we have to verify that whether it's the right domain like thing, right? Like
No,
we
we'll
have
just register
create
it,
it.
and we will provide
Hmm.
the CNAME to the respective team and they will register it.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The
So
C name
here
that we have
we
copied. Hmm. Okay.
yeah, here we only provide CNAME records of the root domains only.
Hmm.
Yeah. So for this particular domain, the root domain is kj.com. This is the root domain. Once the root domain gets validated, all the subdomains, whatever are there for this particular root domain, they will get validated automatically. Like we don't need to raise any case for the subdomains. We will only send the CNAME records of the root domains. So here the root domain kj, it is validated. We check it. So what we did here is we go to the plus sign, and we copy paste the domain names, we select this and we save the domain. After saving, the domain gets added to the Sectigo portal, and then we can see search from here, like filter from here, the particular domain, and we can see that it is validated. So if all these domains gets validated in the Sectigo portal, then only users can request the external certificates. So once the user confirmed that he got the certificate, we close this ticket.
Okay. Okay. Anything from Alok here or Santosh here?
No, that's fine.
Any questions or any?
Yeah,
This
we
is
can
another.
proceed. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, we can proceed. For this, we can refer to the TCV validation document that present in the SharePoint, right? For this, I saw this
Yeah.
document yesterday.
Yes, yes, yes. That is this activity.
And this is one of the incident where user certificate, it got expired and user want to renew the certificate urgently. So here first we shared KB articles to the user. So yeah,
That's
this is
okay, Soumya. You can just brief like what we did. It's okay. It's no need to go through each and every notes in that.
okay. So here we have a KB articles for all the process, like all the process of creating a SSL certificate from the Helium certificate portal. So yeah, we share those KB articles to user. And if user got any like if they have more query after going through the KB articles, if user have any more other queries, we connected with user, and on the screen sharing session we explained user to create a CSR file and the SSL certificate from the portal, and then he installed the certificate in the server wherever that is hosted, and yeah, he can now able to access the whatever the website they are, this particular website. And after user confirmed that the certificate it got successfully created, and so he confirmed that we can close the ticket, then we successfully close this incident.
Okay, so like which KB article you refer to?
So usual, I shared yesterday a document, a Word document, a kind of template, if you remember, which had the 3 KB articles that we shared to user as an initial step while requesting the certificate.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes,
That
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 is
is.
present
yeah,
over there. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Thanks.
yes. That KB articles consist of 3 steps. That is creating a CSR file and requesting a SSL certificate from our
Mm.
Halion certificate portal, and another is installation of certificate. So if you go through that certificates, I think you can get a brief visual.
Yeah. Sure. Yeah. Sure. Okay.
These are some sample incidents we have. So these are the 2 sample incidents yeah, I got now for the different incidents. So, Sugam, Sachin, you have any other incidents?
Hey, in this ticket,
Yes.
hey, I'm sorry. My question was, in this ticket, was the user not aware of the process, or was he stuck at any step while trying to implement those 3 steps?
Oh no. So the thing is, Alok, they cannot do that.
Sorry,
The
you Sugam?
so which step exactly you are referring here?
No, I mean to say, I mean, I followed Soumya when she said that the documentation for how to renew the certificate, wherein they will request for the like go to the Halloween portal and request for the
Ah, yes, means we
yes.
prepared a portal, but still some user chase us and ask us how to do
Okay.
that. This-
So
They are not able to get the
basically,
document.
okay. So what I understand is there is a gap in knowledge. So once you shared the article, the user was able to understand what to do, and he or she was able to completely do it. Is that right?
Like
Yes,
if they're
sometimes it
stuck,
happens, Alok, but sometimes they are still stuck
Mm-hmm.
because they are
like if
Okay.
they are
some
stuck.
users performing this activity for the very first time. They don't know means what things will come in the CSR and what will be the common name. So we'll just take a call with them and ask them to means copy everything from the previous certificate and see whether they are mentioning everything correct in the C name and SAN name, and they'll just proceed. Means some users can work after referring to the document, but still some users need assistance after sharing the document as well.
Okay. Yeah, I got that.
So
Thank
for
you.
those users, we go to a screen sharing session with them and we help out the users.
Yep.
Okay. Cool.
Any questions, Ujjwal and Santosh, Alok? So Alok, you will be the primary for PKI. Am I right?
Yes, Sugam. So basically, I'm just catching up on things, and yeah, I have been just trying to understand the environment, and yes, once I am up to speed, probably I can, engage more, and whatever doubts I have, I can just clarify on the call.
Okay, okay. So Alok, I would request you to go through the KT session, and the documentation is very good actually. We have mentioned each and everything and every step there. So please go through that. And as you know that infra is not in our scope. So most of the softwares like Sectigo, we are using as a SaaS, software as a service, web-based portal. Like for Sectigo, Appviewx, Go Anywhere. We are just performing the operations activity, and for on MSPKI part as well. So we are not handling the infra. We are just doing the, you can say, the health check if the memories their services are up and running. So nothing means the things are not in our hand basically. Infra
Okay.
part is
So
with
when you
Helion
say
only.
MSPKI, you mean that AD certificate services, right?
Ah, yes,
So
yes. So the servers
that's
are maintained by Helion only,
okay.
and they are
So
doing
do you
everything.
like just access uh, the certificate authority console, or
Yeah, means
through an SRV? Huh? Okay.
yes. So when the services are down, okay, the portal is down for maintenance, say AppUX, and some user
Mhm.
need the internal certificate on urgent basis. Only that time we are logging into the server and issuing the certificate manually. That's it.
Okay.
Apart from that, we are not means designing any template or doing anything. We are just monitoring our mailbox if there is some issue. So we'll get the automated email because the monitoring tools are already there. Like if there is some memory issue or services are not running, then we just need to notify the product owner. We are not performing any actions on the ADCS server. Okay.
Okay. Sure.
So and means we can say we have very less scope here.
Okay. Got it.
We are responsible for operations part only. Means the users are able to access the portal. They are getting the certificate or
Sugam, I think you are breaking,
and
or I don't know if it was only me.
facing any issue, we just that.
Yeah, for me as well.
Oh, is it?
Sugam, I think we lost you for the last 1
I
minute.
hope
Can
it
you
will
repeat what you just said?
now. So I said that we are only responsible for operations part. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Got it. Yeah. Thanks.
I guess so. We can close today's session. And on 26th, I'll be on leave. I guess you guys will be on leave as well because it is a public holiday in India. Am I
Yeah,
audible?
yeah. Yes, yes. Let's leave. Yeah.
So means on 26th on Friday I'll be on leave, and tomorrow we'll take your queries and so go through those documents. And if we receive any requests, then we will work on it with you only. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Okay. Okay then. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you
Bye
you.
very
everyone.
Thank
much.
you. Yeah.
Take care.
Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Thank you. Bye, everyone.